So, today we will see how we can literally execute or compile our program that is written in C++ in a terminal and execute it from there. So here's, you can see the tutorial folder, and I have a main.cpp. So what this main.cpp is gonna be? This is gonna be our code main file. Right now, let's write up some C++ code. So first of all, you need preprocessor, that is gonna be include. Oh, and by the way, I am using the Sublime text editor as my text editor. So include IO stream, that is input output stream, as a preprocessor. So we need to, like, C++ works with namespace, so we need to define a standard namespace for this main program. So you can actually do without it, but let's do with it using namespace standard semicolon there, then main function main. See how the Sublime is giving us the hint that there's the main function. We can just hit enter and get the function from it. So here's the function. So let's write a simple code. Cout slash less than, then the string that's gonna be output. So hello YouTube, then end line and the semicolon. So right now we need to save the file. Control or Command S to save the file. Then we just go here, terminal. So here's the command to compile the C++ code. So just in case if you don't have the compiler, please make sure you install the compiler. Just Google it and you can find the compiler. So how you compile the code right now? You write G++, which stands for GCC++ or the GCC, space the file name main.cpp. Then we hit enter. Voila, we got our code compiled with 0 error. Oh my god, that is fantastic. So let's see the files in the directory ls to see the files. There's this file that is a.out, which is the executable file for this code. So how we access it? We access it dot for this directory. Sorry, I forgot to mention it in the last tutorial, I guess. Dot for this directory, then slash to get access a file from this directory, then hit a, then tab that a.out. That is the file. If we just press enter or return, see, here's our output with 0 error, and this is just awesome as everything else. Come on. So we have successfully compiled this program that we have written in C++ in the terminal. So why I am doing this? There's a very good reason, because there are a bunch of IDEs out there. You know, IDEs helps, but there's these coding conventions that you should follow, that you should actually know about how to do that stuff in the terminal. Suppose you are working in a server, but that server has no IDE because that server has no screen on it. So you got this terminal that you need to command or compile a program and run that program on the server, but you don't know anything about without IDE. So if you have to work in that specific area or something, same scenario, you'll probably use a terminal rather than using a conventional IDEs. So here's the basic of programming, or some similar stuff that you can do with terminals and you can do with the C++ code. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Probably next tutorial is gonna be the basics of C++. Just a little basics, nothing much. So just to get on and hold on, because I would I would just suggest you to go search for some documentation in the online, because documentations are the best thing that you can learn from. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.